highest antibiotics. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. I'm sorry. Nakita nyo, why is my voice like this? Why is my voice like this? Wala na ako boses. Na-dry na ako. Paus na ako. The old Doc Willie is gone. The duwag Doc Willie is gone. This is the new Doc Willie. This is the matapang Doc Willie. Oh. Kaya pag sabihin nyo duwag at pagtok si Doc Willie, yun yung luma ha. Iba na to. Pasensya na po mga politiko. Masasagasaan ko na kayo ngayon. Anyway, ako. Pagat ko dila ako. Mali siguro sinabi mo, Doc. Anyway, I'm dying. I don't care anymore.